got you a blue bandana. You want to wear it for quarantine? Throw rocks again. Seriously. You have lost your damn mind. People come and visit Robbie? I doubt that. I seriously fucking doubt that. Are you turning it? Okay. I didn't know what you were doing.
I could have just kept going straight, but I don't really like going that straight. You know what I'm saying? Just because I've seen the cops over there on that area sometimes. I just like going
Crazy.
fast. Oh, look at that flat.
I know, isn't that awesome? I love that.
Yeah. Look at here.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at the house they're building right
Look at
there.
that.
Look at that. Little house.
You pay attention to the road, though.
Little housing development.
Zooming out. They gentrifying up the place. I can't stand it.
Stars Kogan.
They coming up on my parents' place. Coming up from both sides, too.
That means that here comes my parents are coming towards my parents.
Yep.
They're gonna buy that.
They're going to get that
property.
place again. Eventually, they're going to get it makes you wonder, though. Look at that. It just looks like it's so close to us. That's like, I mean, that's big.
But it was closer than that before when it was not too long ago.
You saw it way closer.
Yeah, we just remember it was bigger. Remember we saw it not too long ago. Man, motherfucker was all in
They're renovating in that house back there.
You said something like, "Oh, you found something else, huh?" Like, "Oh, it's just a bunch of baloney."
Yeah. Well, that's too bad. You know, when Chappie and I were up there in Salida, and we've said it before on here, but you know, we just felt like it was, and I think we have it in one of our videos where Chappie and I call into the Chaffee County Sheriff's Office. It was like, all right, well, we're not taking any calls on this Suzanne Morphy case. We're just hanging out over here, just chilling. So call somebody else by. You know, it was like, you know, but when they show up, they did a pretty thorough job, and Chappie can attest to that.
I forgot about this song. I love this song. I love this song. But their new song, Dark Necessities, is way good. Lipstick junkie before me, only one she came back, living a smile. Like someone drugged me, they wanted to unplug me. No one keep his own trap. It's just a turn around and we go. Oh, well, yeah, we go. Want to rock you like the 80s. Cock blocking isn't allowed. Sheila is into memorabilia. You said maybe it's a crowd. It's just terminally. Like it makes it in a cloud. Hey. Yep, that's basically how I get over like a lot of bullshit. I will just put my headphones in and I will block your motherfucking ass out because I don't want to do that. But I can still sing. And in between songs, even when my gap is 0, the gap in between song play is 0. That means literally it goes right into the next song without missing a beat. I can still hear people sometimes, and that it makes it hard to like not like throw some shit across the room or something, you know what I mean? But I'm working on that. I'm working through that. This song, I don't really want this song to get stuck in my head, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get on out there. Ooh, they got a new GoPro. Let me find out. No, that's an iPhone, brand new iPhone. I don't do iPhones. I'm a Droid girl.
Lee, what's your dream?
My dream? Well, I'm a dancer, singer, model, and actress, and I just moved to Los Angeles from Boston.
Like I was pretty big in Memphis, but out here it's like you're down the desert.
I don't know. I don't really have the dream of being a star. It's more just I like being me. You know?
And when I first got out here, I was like,
Tell me,
really
baby,
just got out of college, and I was
what's
like,
your story?
you know, 6
Where
months
you
to a year, I'll
come
be
from and
huge.
where you wanna
And,
go,
you
just
know,
come on.
it's been
Tell me
6 years now.
lovely,
I
are you
came here in
lonely?
the early 90s to try to get a band together. Big star in the whole thing. I found out that
I would never go to
it's a
Hollywood.
tough business.
I
I'll play music for my
want
life.
to be me where I'm at, and that's where I'm supposed to be. And I'll just keep being awesome right here. But one day, kind of, people all over the world have already seen me. There's people in Australia that know about this weird little face in the mountains of North Carolina. I don't know about y'all, but I think that is really cool. Because now I have friends that are literally all over the world. Because the people that I interact with, my subscribers, you know, like, they're my friends. Like, I talk to you and I acknowledge you, and you know personal things about my life. Even some of my subscribers know really personal things about my life because they're my friends. That's That's what this whole thing is about on planet Earth. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get how I feel like we are. I do feel like we're losing our curiosity. What? But I just think that whoever finds their way to M's Mad World and subscribes, without me really having to do a whole lot to get you to subscribe, and you stick around through some of the controversial shit that I have said, or because I know for a fact there's been videos where like I put it out and I'm like, man, some people are gonna unsubscribe after this one, and I know that, and usually, and it has happened. I've literally said, you know, like, yep, one went away, and that's okay. Like I say, I'm not everyone's cup of tea. Some of y'all are not mine, and that's okay. But if you stick around and you actually can navigate your way through some of the crap that I say and do and put it all together cohesively in your brain, and you still like me and you think I'm cool, that's because you actually understand me. And I appreciate you more than you'll probably ever know. Because I barely understand me. And that is the God's honest truth. I really do not know what I'm going to do with my life. I just kind of go with the flow these days and see where things take me. Since I've started doing that, I've been out of my comfort zone a lot. But I cannot honestly complain because it's still so surreal to me sometimes. Like, I try not to talk about it much or brag about it a lot, because it's just not, to me, it's not something to brag about. It's my life, and I just happen to be lucky like that. Like, I have this girl that's like so freaking awesome, and like, she likes me. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy. But, no, when I sit back and think about it, when I sit back and I really, 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 really think about it, like, I still can't believe, I think about, like, how everything happened. It's so weird. And, like, I remember getting up on my phone one day and just getting this message and being like, is this hat? She really messaged me back. She really messaged me back. And she said I was cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. You don't even know. So I was like, okay, you know, play it cool. Be cool. I can't even remember what I said. I can't even remember what I said back. But it must have been cool. It must have been cool enough to where she was like, but she gets me. She gets me. She gets me. And I get her too. And I think I get her. And maybe I'm reading it wrong, but I'm usually not a bad judgment on people. But I think I get her too. I think I get her in more ways than she realizes. Sometimes, but I get why she's the way she is too. And I get that. That's okay. That's why I'm here. That's why she's there for me. And one day, well, that'll be a cool video. I can't. But everything about everything seems like it's the right thing to do, no matter how crazy stuff gets sometimes. And like, it just seems like I'm on the right path still. Like, these are the things I'm supposed to be doing. This is what I'm supposed to be doing with my life. Like, if people don't get me, like all of my personal friends, like that I know here in my home, don't know them watch the channel. None of them, and that's okay. I think some of them are subscribed, but don't any of them really watch it. But it's okay. I don't really care. Like they know me by now, and they know that when I say something, that's it. I said what I said. I said what I said. Anyways. I'm so excited though about like all the possibilities of where my life could go from here on out. Like everything is just so incredibly amazing that I can't even really form it in a word sometimes. I just sit around just thinking about all of the stuff that I've got going on that, like, I haven't even talked to y'all about some of that yet, like the writing and all that. Like, it's big, man. It's so big that, like, no matter how much bullshit gets thrown at me lately, I'm like, I see you over there hating, but you know what? Not anymore. Y'all ain't gonna make me mad, because I'm just gonna laugh like I'm batshit crazy at you. Oh, you thought you was gonna make me sad, but you ain't. Like, it was like, today, I got a message like, I don't need to watch your YouTube channel to know what's going on in your life. And I was like, I didn't even dignify that with a response, because you're not going to get me like that no more. Find a new tactic. Bye-bye. So, like, I literally died laughing. Didn't dignify with a response. And a little while later, I get another message, and I'm trying to think how it went. But I was like, look, man, you're not going to piss me off no more. So you should just stop. Stop trying to make me mad so you get your way. Like, this isn't working with Emmett anymore. You got it? And not only is it not working, and you guys are not getting what you want, and you're not having the effect that you want to have on me, shit is starting to go horribly wrong for you. Which has nothing to do with me, because I don't even fucking go around y'all when y'all are acting a fool. I just step back. Y'all see me over here on my phone doing my own damn thing. Like ordering a mic. I did do that. Also, things are going to be happening on this channel. Discussions are going to be had. They need to be had. And they are going to be uncomfortable sometimes, because there's a lot of ugh in this world, and I can't. That energy has got to go. Damn it. And I hope that Starflower didn't take what I was saying towards that particular bully as me bullying them back. I feel like there's a line that needs to be drawn when it comes to the women supporting women thing, right? In the case with Bubba, had I just not said anything at all to that other female, that sends the message to other females that that sort of behavior is okay. Or at the very least, that sort of behavior is okay with some people. And me being one of those people, which that sort of behavior is not okay and is not going to be tolerated on my channel. There's a way to air your grievances or your disagreements with one another and not be freaking catty and very personal and airing personal things about someone's life that are just so inappropriate to put on a public forum without someone's permission, that like like I said, it doesn't even matter to me if everything she would have said about her had been true. The way she went about it was wrong. And so by that, I'm going to have to side with her, like I did. Not to mention I just like her. She's an awesome gal. But don't come over here. Don't do that. Everybody gets the benefit of the doubt. Everybody gets a chance. If you want to drop the ball on that, I'll help you to the door. But guess what? This is my rule on that too. I only give you one chance because all the crap I've been through in my life, I got basically like a zero tolerance for a lot of shit. Okay? So you get one chance. If you do something that is so disrespectful that I feel like there's no other choice but to block you, that was the only thing I could do. Because I was like, oh my God, that's so outright disrespectful. Then guess what? You stay there. You don't get to come back. You can go make stupid little troll accounts all you want to. Just know that I'll know that it's you. I have ways of knowing that it's you. Your dumbass will say something that'll tell on yourself again because you can't stand me that much that you got to come troll me. So you'll tell on yourself and it doesn't matter. I'll block your ass again. Okay? Hopefully, this is the only time that I need to address this stuff. It's like in the future, I'll reference this video. Like, in case you need to know how I handle that. Bye-bye. And then, of course, I'll have moderators that'll be like on that same level as me. You know, so. Yeah. But I'm so glad. It's not that I thought I was the only person in the world that felt the way I feel about things, because I know that I'm not. I literally know for a fact that I'm not now because I have a cosmic twin. More like probably have cosmic quadruplets, like at least 2 other replicas of me. At least 2 other, like, so similar in every form and fashion. Other than outward appearance, I can't even tell you how much we are alike. So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful to have met these people and talked to these people and have them be a part of my life on any form or on any level. I think that is super cool. And my personal friends and family would tell you, like, for Emma to open herself up and be like this to all of you is so un-Emma. It's not even funny. So, oh, speaking of that song, speaking of, I mentioned this earlier. Dark Necessities. This is a good jam. Good jam. Red Hot Chili Peppers. So, that's that. Oh, I should try all those dresses. I mean, I just love this. This is just me in a nutshell. You gotta see this video. Oh, Anthony Kiedis can relate. Sounds like we have company. Fucking skateboarders. That's it too. If you're skating at night, have some reflective gear on. You dumbass little shits. No. Habibi.